Welcome to our guide on fixing common driver issues using Driver Booster. This tool is designed to automatically detect, update, and repair outdated or corrupted drivers on your system. Driver issues can cause device malfunctions, system crashes, and performance lags. These are common problems that many users face. Driver Booster effectively addresses these challenges, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. To get started, you'll need to install Driver Booster. The installation process is straightforward. Simply download the software, follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be ready to tackle driver issues in no time. Once installed, use Driver Booster's intuitive interface to perform a complete system scan. It identifies problematic drivers and offers quick solutions, making it easy to keep your system up to date and functioning optimally. Driver Booster's key features include backing up existing drivers, performing batch updates, and scheduling regular scans. These features make it a go-to solution for maintaining your PC's health and performance. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to tackle driver issues confidently. Discover how Driver Booster can transform your troubleshooting experience and keep your system running smoothly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.